Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to do a beginner's makeup bag with you guys, along with a demonstration of all the products that I have used today, with the exception of the eyes, because I did not have a drugstore palette for this, and this is going to be pretty much all drugstore. I'm going for beginners who are, let's say you may be high school or college and you're just looking for something to start off with, and you may not go to Sephora and get a $60 foundation. You're just gonna go straight to Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, or wherever to get your kit started. So I'm gonna show you guys what I like just for a beginner's kind of kit. So if you do want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos just like this. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to jump right into today's video. All right, you guys, so first you're going to look for a primer, and I use today the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. You don't have to necessarily have this primer, but I think it is really good to have as one of the first things to look for when you are looking to build a makeup kit for someone who's a starter or not really used to it. This NYX Bear With Me concealer I think is amazing. It's great for the price. It's just like high end if you ask me, but it has great coverage. Really like it. So if you have any kind of imperfections you want to look to try to hide underneath the makeup, I really think that that would be a great concealer to have. So next is going to be a foundation. So I think the Revolution Conceal Define is a good foundation to have when you're just starting out, because it is definitely a dupe of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. It's full coverage, and of course that along with that NYX concealer, when I tell you it's gonna make your skin look really good. Now going back, concealer, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, that's more, I believe, good for under your eyes, your forehead, your nose, your chin, just like I did right here in the video. This is also a demonstration of how you can use all these products, not just what you should get. So to me, the difference between the two is the e.l.f. Hydrating. I wouldn't necessarily put that on my combination skin to spot conceal. That would be more for under the eyes if I just want to, you know, kind of hide if I have any dark bags, which I don't really have bags, but I think the hydrating concealer is more good for that over concealing imperfections in your face. The NYX concealer is definitely thicker, I believe, than this e.l.f. hydrating, so that's why I say that should be more used to spot conceal rather than use underneath your eyes, because you don't really want to put too much underneath your eyes, because that's a very delicate spot on our face, so we do want to be careful about that. So now we're going to use a concealer. Actually, this is the Revolution Eye Brightening Concealer that actually went viral on social media, and I'm going to use it as a bronzer. Now, a lot of times bronzer and contour can get confused. I myself sometimes will use a bronzer as a contour, because sometimes my contour bronzer colors are usually going to be the same, kind of the same, but you do want to get something that's more golden to bronze and something that is more gray to contour. So bronzing is more wherever the sun usually hits you. So let's say you go outside and you look at yourself, you'll see like you'll see where you kind of get like a little brownish or golden color to your skin. Contouring is more of the hollows of your face. So like your cheekbones, that's if you suck your, like you pucker up your lips and you see how your cheekbones kind of indent, that's going to be like your contour areas. So once again, you're going to bronze, hit the parts of your face where the sun will hit, and then contour. You're just going to get all of the indentations around your face. Now we're going to have a blush. This Profusion blush goes a long way when I tell you that. I actually kind of put it on and I was like, ooh, I think I put too much. But your blush pretty much goes right around where you have your bronzer. I personally like mine to be like right on my cheek area because it does, how you want to say, accent or highlight my cheeks. I do have some nice puffy looking cheeks, but really like this blush. And everything here, of course, as you see, is drugstore and very affordable. Unfortunately, Profusion isn't at every Walmart, so you might have to kind of drive around to find it, but I will say that is a good blush to start you off with. So these parts are going to go pretty quick. So this is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. You usually want to use a banana powder to set concealer underneath your eyes. You don't really want to use a banana powder, or not, you don't want to use a banana powder at all to set your entire face, like your foundations and stuff that you put on. So banana powder under the eye, or translucent if you use translucent. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. This is what I would use to set all the foundations or any spots that I kind of want to blend in together. And we have a ColourPop blush. I can't remember the actual color of this one, but I do like this blush. One thing about me though is I don't like my blush to be blushing. I like a cute little color on there, but I don't like it to look too crazy. So I'm just going to go in with the same brush I use with that Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to pretty much, I don't really want to say dilute because I'm not sure if that's the right word, but I'm going to tone down that blush that I just put on. So this is the True Complexion Black Radiance Contour Palette. I'm using that to set the bronzer and everything I put on earlier. This stuff is very pigmented, so be light-handed. You are pre-warned. So next we have the Maybelline Tattoo Studio, I believe that's what it's called. The black, I think it's coal liner. Really love that. I'm just using that to go underneath the eye, not underneath the eye, but on the waterline to darken it up because I love a black pencil on the waterline. And so then we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I really love this mascara, either that or the Maybelline one that comes in the pink and green tube. Those are definitely my favorites. This lip pencil is actually one from e.l.f.'s Retro, I think it was Retro Paradise collection that they had. So this one is not available anymore, which is why I did not put it on the screen. But any lip liner of your choice, you guys can go pick up. And lastly is going to be this lipstick that I just found at the Dollar Tree, LA Colors Matte Lip. The one I'm using is the color Beloved. So if you stop by your nearest Dollar Tree, pick that up because they always have some hidden gems in their stores. And that is the end of today's video. And this is the completed look, which I actually really love. And I used all drugstore. And so that's why I think this would be a great drugstore beginner's makeup kit. Leave me some recommendations down below of what you guys like, or what are some great things that you think someone can have in a beginner's makeup kit. So you guys, y'all know the deal. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna need you to hit that like button as well to let me know that you guys like what you're seeing, you're loving the content, and that means I just keep creating, just keep on giving you guys some more makeup tips, which I am looking to do like a little maybe mini series, but who knows, we will see. But I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.